Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Marilyn and today I'll show you two simple ways on how you can create Python scripts in Kali Linux. So one way is called interactive mode and the next is scripting mode. So go ahead and open your terminal. And we start with interactive mode. So depending on the Python version you're running on your computer, or rather on your Kali Linux, type Python. Mine is Python 3, so I'll type Python 3. And there you're ready to input your Python code. So something simple like print brackets quotation marks hello world, enter. There, maybe something simple like 1 plus 2, enter, or 5 equals to 5, 2, 3 equals to 2, false, and such kind of stuff. So this is interactive mode, interactive screen. So let's exit this, exit brackets, then clear this. So let's go ahead and see in scripting mode. First, let's make a directory on where you can store our Python file or Python script. Make dir, let's call it Python code, enter. Let's just listen, see. There, we have our Python code. Let's cd into Python code. Then let's create our Python script. Cat forward arrow, we call it hello world dot py, py for Python, enter. To end this process you have to press Ctrl C, then ls. There we have our script ready. Then depending on the input application that you have on your Kali Linux, be it mousepad, gedit, leafpad, or simple nano, go ahead and type mousepad hello world dot py, enter. Then here you can input your code. Let's say print brackets quotation marks hello world, enter, print something else, hi there, then print 1 plus 2. Go ahead and Ctrl S to save, then close it, then come back to the terminal and say Python 3 hello world dot py, and there, whatever you put in your script, the results show up on the terminal as 1. So go ahead and use whichever mode you fancy. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and come back.